Guys, $11,000 I make before 72 hours. I just come in the camping on me, daddy. Oh, me no feel love over there. Why you think you don't see me all day today, guys? Nah, tell me a lie. Me, I live over there. I can't get a rest every second. Me just I see $100 tipper come in, $300 tipper come in, $400 tipper come in. I want me influence one girl for go over there. Lord Jesus, I hope she not gonna tell her family them say I me tell her to come over there. Because she say I make she bill page. I hope she tell her people them say me no.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
People them say NEWLINK, and you have the baddest reaction video them. And when I hear you say nothing about Ivany thing, what go on NEWLINK? Watch it tape, watch the video. Of course, I see the video. Ivany. First of all, big up for yourself and blessings to all my viewers and subscribers around the world. You see me? People, are the human life in a star? So me can't attack her. What me I got? No, the human life. That's her choice. Come on, we already know who was Ivany from way back, so I don't like say I not on you. You did expect to see nothing better from Ivany. No, sir. One thing me have to ask Ivany is, Ivany, I want something that we have a jam up in you. Eh? A jackhammer that there, Jaja sees, Jaja know. People, me don't know what that you know. Me don't know what that people. Me I tell you the truth, you look like a one jackhammer and one spy kill boot panta pa your Ivany have your jam up in that. Mother sick. Eh? A work girl claims that she a work, you know. She say a so she make for her money. You see me? Her only fun thing, she say she rich or fight my people. But me have to say, Ivany, a them the same thing you have to go on with. Eh? No, sir. So you don't deserve no chance to go. So why make sense to go across the border then? Because you could have done Jamaica and do it, you know. And you'd benefit more to you. You'd get more money. You see me? You'd get more. But one thing me have to say, my people, I mean I got this her. Me I tell you the truth. I can't style her this her for a reason. Are the human life and at her choice. You see me? Her choice that she says she make money and she rich or fight. You see me? But only thing me say is with doing this, she could have stay a yard and I do it. You see me? Because a dollar, US dollar, that's a US dollar and she da see her money more. Because she said she rich out, you know. She said in a Jamaica she rich out because of whole heap of money. She say in a 1 week, my people, you know what I mean? All in a 1 day, $5 grand US she a pull on. You see me? Half of the Onlyfans thing. So you do the maths. I imagine now 1 month how much money she a make, and a real thing. A lot of people can't tell about this Onlyfans thing, so they make crazy money if especially they go live with them fan and them sitting there. You see me? Plus she dey on TikTok and I beg every day and I get too much gifts. I've had a rich out, man. You see me? Rich out. But one thing I can't say the whole done out. That the jackhammer tab out everything in that the whole there. Nothing not supposed to left in that there. That the whole is supposed to big and stretch out and come like one precipice. You see me? Me nah desire people but are they short. Based on almost that the same thing they are ram me out and a jam me out. Eh? No, sir. That the same thing they are walk, you know. Me say that same thing they are walk. It a walk, it a walk, it a walk, it a walk. Eh? Someone know Ivany. You know your Onlyfans thing. Cause you must do some live show. How long you take make that same thing they ram out and tab out under you? Eh? Because that is sitting there ram and it a jab and it a tab, so you know my people. You see me like, oh, boy, me I tell you. Me I tell you when me see it, me have to say, Ivany. You know what I mean? Because one thing, you know, Ivany got some tattoo on her body, then can't hide. For you see them the one of a kind cat paw tattoo there. You know see Ivany that my people. You see me? And when you look, boy, but I only fan, you see I only fan thing, but I miss a people. With Ivany, when it come on to Ivany, nothing surprise me. You see, and the one who then call him grape teaser, the nasty one that when him grape teaser. You know what I mean? Cause that one the worse than Ivany, you know. The nasty one who then call him grape teaser. She nasty Ivany, man. Very nasty. Because if I not straight from the topic, but memory recall, you know. You remember the time there when this brother here, right? This brother did do something. I got a farming pan in bush, my people. Now you're thinking dirty water boat and you're dirty frowns pants. You understand? And grape teaser, see the man, a farmer man with the old machete in her hand. And she go there. Zin? And she deal with the man and take out the man and put right on her throat. You see me? The nasty one named grape teaser. So me I tell her say she worse than Ivany. So when we see the people I'm this upon I say Ivany need to come down and the baby father need to take back take him pick me and this and that. Come on, man. Come on. Grape teas are worse. Ivany may be bad, but grape teas are worse. You understand, people? And then me say, I saw she make her money. Because in Jamaica, you're going to the club, you have woman, not just Jamaica too. All over the world. You have woman who are dancing and sell a tuntun. You understand? You go up on the street, a back road, you can go buy a little thing you want. You understand? So she show social media, my people. If you do her thing on her Onlyfans and take Jackama and a spike heel boat, or amount her tuntun. That's why she choosing her fear choice that, you know. So why should we be so hurt about our situation and not try, you know what I mean, say the word? No man, me can't do it, my people. Me can't do it. But if she give me none, me no want it. Unless she give me that for free, Ivany, me I tell you the truth, me no want it. Me no want this, but me no want it. You understand? Because me no want John. Me no want John, people. You see me? Because that big. If you, me tell you say, for your man, brother, have seen thing for pushing that, it have got to be about 20 inches long for fitting of that day. Because that the jackhammer and the pike heel boat stretch out everything in that the whole day. You see me? No, sir. Eh? Ivany, you say you are the star, you know. And you are the queen for the media, but me I tell you, say you are the queen for Onlyfans. You understand? You are the queen for the jackhammer and the pike heel boat. You know what I mean, people? But me tell you something, the truth, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to describe it, you know, to how it look. You see me? But we don't know, say, I want them machine there. We can go them Thai store there. Where them have and bite. You see me? But all me can say, man, boy, only Jah sees and he knows. Only Jah sees and he knows. So she make her money and she do her thing. You see me? But you don't know where go. My people, big up on yourself. You don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss, and they are roll through and a stroll through up on the street. Yeah. You know what I mean? Give thanks to life, my people. The Almighty is good. You see me? So good, man. We have to do what we have to do, you know, my people, because I don't know how life set up. You see me? Stay safe, stay blessed for people, and just do the right thing. You understand? And remember to follow me on all social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook, X, you don't know Snapchat, you don't know TikTok. One NEWLINK, my people. I want to say a one team, you know. A one dream and a one scheme. But the way I feel like I go link Ivany still, you know. Ivany, I will stay to live. We stay to live. Give me a link, Ivany, because, you know, we stay to live. Give me a link. Because right now it seems like me, I can't, you know, say like me have to start a show with her. But I kind of feel something different, you know, You know what I mean? Something I come on for me now. Like Ivany put a spell for me, so me I call her name so much. Ivany, we stay to live. I want the link for you. I don't want to reach out to Onlyfans, you know. I don't want to reach out to Onlyfans, but I need the link. You see me? I need the link. I don't not like them the type of way, no people, but I want a link to her. I want to link her. Yeah man, I go give her a link.